Hi guys, welcome to a brief video on how to pad on the Arugal PvP server. Now, I'm going to assume you have a couple of add-ons enabled for this. I'm not going to go into any more details than that. There's a tutorial on the Arugal Brackets PvP Discord in the padding info channel of where to get these add-ons, how to configure them for your character. That's not the point of this video, so I'm not going to go into that, but I am going to assume you have weak auras installed with the Arugal padding package imported and Letrix Plus. So let's create a new character. We're going to use a troll, rogue, and generally female. Now we need to create a unique character name for each one of these turns, and we're going to delete this character once we've got 15 kills. I use randomize. Given that we're going to delete the character, there's a chance when we randomize future padding turns, this name will reappear. So I'll just add a couple of random letters in there, and the odds are that is going to be a unique name. So let's click accept and enter world. Now with Letrix Plus add-on enabled, we can skip this cinematic intro with just clicking escape, as long as you have faster movie skip enabled within that add-on. Saves you a click to exit out of that cinematic. So you can see we have spawned here. Now with the Arugal padding package installed in weak auras, you will see this button here. So we click that, we get an invite automatically from Very Griefed, who is the current padding counter, and you can see we've got several people here that are going to pad with us at the moment. Now we need to get up to here, and we are currently here. As you can see, there are some people moving around to this location, so I'm going to show you how to get there and get up to here with the least amount of time and running involved. So I'm just hitting auto run here, and off we go. So once you get around this corner, you'll see there's a couple of large trees over yonder, and I'm lining my character up with this area here. I'm auto running. This is probably the longest part of it. So sometimes I will alt tab, or I'm doing other things while I get my characters to this spot. If you line it up properly, you can walk away, do whatever you need to do. When you come back and you're ready to finish the pad, your character will be where it needs to be to go to the next location, which we are nearly at now. This whole process takes a few minutes. I could run a timer, but I suggest probably around 3 minutes on average if you're actually paying attention. It's the perfect thing to do in between battleground queues on a second account. Now, as you see, I've jumped up there and I'm now in the South Fury River zone. My Hearthstone is still in my bag. What we are going to do is click teleport to graveyard. Deletes the Hearthstone. What we're doing here is accessing the character stuck mechanism. Teleport to graveyard. If your Hearthstone happen to still be there, it will put you back to the starting spawn point. So that's why the Hearthstone gets deleted, which all happens automatically within the add-on. We are now here at Razor Hill. So we'll right click the Spirit Healer, and I don't have to click anything. It automatically resurrects me. And here is the kill tune. We could see we've got some other padders have gotten started, and we just start beating away and getting these kills. Now I use a rogue with middle mouse button key bound to it, so I can just spam away on that and get the kills. I'll pause the video now until we've getting up to 15 kills, and then we will resume. Alright, so we've almost got our 15 kills. We've had a multi-box padder arrive, which makes the process a bit easier. I may do a future video on how to set up a multi-box padding setup to just streamline things a little bit for a bit more efficiency. But for now, we're just solo padding. So we finished our 15 kills. We've now added this toon to the PvP pool size for the week, which is the point of what we're doing. You can see that icon's changed. We can now left click on that and we're going to log out. I'll repeat the process one more time, and then you can get on with padding for yourselves. Very simple process. Once you get into it and you've done a couple, it'll become very much second nature. So we've finished with this character. It's added to the pool. We don't need it anymore, so we can delete it. And then we go again. So create character, troll, rogue, female, randomize, add a letter or two, accept, enter world. One click to exit the movie, and off we go. Auto run, invite, accept, and we're off. I'll just do this at pretty much full speed. I'll run this on multiple characters at once. Obviously it's a lot faster that way, but we'll maybe talk in another video, as I said, about how to set that up in a cost effective and efficient way. But for now we'll assume you're running one character on preferably a second account, so you can do this in between your battleground queues. When you're having some downtime, got a 15-minute queue, come and do your padding. You do that throughout the day if you're ranking, and you will get your pads done, and that benefits everyone in the PvP community of Eroogle. You can see there's another character heading to another spot up there. There's a different way you can get up, but this is the way I'll do it. This is the way I'm showing. If you want to explore other ways to do it, that's up to you to do in your own time. But for now we're going to go this way, as I find this to be the best way, particularly to bring multiple characters. Teleport to graveyard. Once again, that deletes. Much easier than all the different keystrokes you'd need. Deleting Hearthstone, teleport to graveyard, blah blah blah. We click it with one easy click. Right click on that. We've resurrected, and bang, get about padding. I'm not going to run you through another 15 kills here because you've seen how that's done. That is padding. The bracket management team is here to help with any questions. You can direct those through the FAQ channel of the PvP Brackets Discord. I will link that below. You will already have that because that's where you would have come to this video from. But for anyone else who might stumble upon this, you can go and have a look at what this is all about. Ask questions of any online bracket manager. We're here to help. We want to answer questions. We want you to know what to do, and if you're ever not sure, please just ask. So I hope this has given you some insight into padding, and I look forward to seeing you in game soon. Alright, take care guys.